Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd show you guys like a fall makeup routine that I usually like to do during the fall time. I don't always do this every day, but it's on days where I feel like, girl, I need to look like I'm representing the fall weather. So I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna be using some new products that I haven't used on this channel, and you know, that's pretty much it. Let's get started. So first, I like to put in moisturizer. This is the Clinique Dramatically Moisturizing Surge. I use 2 pumps of this baby and it's phenomenal. It just really hydrates my skin during the fall time because it's very windy and it's raining, and you know, my skin gets dry and all that fun stuff. Next, I'm using the Clinique Pep Start. This is absolutely my favorite. I've been using this for so long this year, and I'm actually running low. You can see. It's like legit amazing. I'm not sponsored by Clinique. I just really like Clinique products because they help with my acne. I've come a long way with acne. If I have throwback photos, I'll put it right here on the screen right now. But yeah. Acne, she's not a pretty person. Next, I'm going with the LANEIGE BB Cushion, and I'm in the color, if you're curious, medium dark. This says SPF 50, and even though it's like rainy and it's really cloudy during the fall time, the sun still creeps up on you, and you gotta get all that SPF, girl. Prevent all the wrinkles. Checking the mirror. So you guys can see this foundation, it just gives me such a light sheer coverage. That's what I really like. I don't really do full coverage on a normal basis, and even if it's my fall routine, I don't like having full coverage because I don't know, I have nothing to hide. But shout out to all my full coverage queens, you rock. I don't like it. I look like a different person, and I really don't want to do that to myself. But I don't know. You do you, boo. So next, I'm gonna take a powder. This is a Japanese powder. This is a Japanese and Hello Kitty powder. I got this in Little Tokyo in LA, and you guys can get this. It's really easy to find too. But it's like $20, and it really reminds me of the Laura Mercier powder. So that's why I really like it. They only come in one shade, and I definitely recommend just putting a little bit so you don't get a huge flashback Mary, because she is not cute at all for flash photography. So like that. I don't know if it's different, but my lighting here is like this white ring light, and you guys are so used to my yellow lights in my, oop, I dropped that. In my yellow, my room, it has like yellow bulbs, and it really makes me look very yellow and tan. But this one makes me look really pale, but hopefully not too pale. My eyes look so tired, I'm so sorry. I didn't have that much sleep last night because I had to do a lot of stuff for my mom. But you know, the sacrifices we make for our moms. So now I'm gonna go in with a eye primer. We're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I always use this. There's not a day where I don't use this because I bought the full size, so I might as well use it to its fullest, as y'all can see. Okay. Okay, feels good. Looks good, feels good. Let me just check my mirror. Okay. Cool. So now I'm going to show you guys 2 eyeshadow palettes that I have. I have the Morphe 3502 and the Naked Heat palette. These two palettes are probably the closest dupe to my collection that I honestly owned, because they're very, they're kind of similar in color. Their color scheme. I just want to have something affordable and then something high-end to show you guys, just so if you try to recreate my look, you guys have options. You don't have to waste money on something expensive, but something affordable or something, I don't know. Let me just show y'all. So these two, they're not the similar dupe to each other, but the color scheme is right for fall, and I really, really love that. And I'm using mostly brown shades, so don't trip. Chocolate chip, okay? So there you have it. If you think I'm gonna use orange today, you're probably right, but I'm not, because I love orange. I levitate to oranges, but I'm not, okay? I'm going to use a mixture of both palettes, and I'm both using brown shades. And if you're curious what color I'm using, from the Naked Heat palette, I'm going to be using the color Cayenne. And from the Morphe one, I'm going to be using the color Brick. They're very different, but they're like this mauve, no, like a rusty brown shade, which I live for. So I'm just, you know, using them for my eyes today. So. And let me just zoom you guys in. I don't know if I can zoom in. Never mind, I'm not gonna zoom in. It doesn't zoom in when I do it manually here. Oopsies. But yeah, so that's just gonna be my base color here. And I'm just using both shadows. The Naked Heat one is a little bit more lighter, and the one from the Morphe one is a bit darker. So I'm just doing this like so. So you're just creating a oval, half oval on top of your lids. I'm not doing anything weird or funky. I'm very lazy when it comes to eyeshadow. A lot of people think I take a lot of time doing it. No, I don't. I just, you know, I just go like this, or I use tape to have like a cat wing effect. But I kind of drag it down so it emphasizes my eyelid to be a little bigger, if that makes any sense. Okay. That's just, you know, that's just me. But I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And if you're wondering if these eyeshadows, they're easy to blend, yes and no. Some of the shadows are really easy to blend and some of them are not. They have their ups and downs, but I both love them and they're perfect for the fall, which is really great, you know? But yeah, pretty much. I love that band. I'm so sad. I'm not going to her concert because I have work, and then I try to get concert for the Monday, but I feel like I'm going to work. But hopefully I don't work, but then I don't know, but you know, I'm just, whatever. Yeah. I've been having so many problems about uploading. My SD card not working, my computer is like weird. Like, ugh. So annoying. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, for the fun part, you guys can use the glitters from these palette. Yep. Why do I have an accent? From the palettes here. But I'm gonna show you guys the glitter that I have been super duper obsessed with. This is the KAJA eyeshadow trios. This is a new brand at Sephora, not sponsored, but it's 3 literal micro glitter eyeshadows. Like legit, I'm one swipe. That is one swipe. I'm just gonna like swatch it for you guys because it's freaking bomb.com, homie. Like, do you see, like, it has like a wet look to the glitters? Let me just brighten it up. Yeah. I don't know, my phone is not doing justice to what it looks like. But I'm gonna swatch it and then like show you guys a clip of it like up close with a flash. But honestly, I'm obsessed with this. Like, it is my baby right now. Like, I legit love it. And I'm going to use a glitter glue with it so it stays on the whole entire day. Even though I got nowhere else to go, but you know. Now you know. I use the NYX glitter glue. The glue is pretty bomb. It's very a good dupe to the Too Faced one. You don't have to break the bank or remember that you never have to waste a lot of money on high-end makeup, because companies these days, they come up with the most amazing stuff for very, very cheap. But, you know, some people like to spend. I do too. So, yeah. I don't know what color to use to match my eyes today, but probably the lightest shade because I have something very dark going on already. So, just kidding. So now I'm putting this on my eyelids, and literally beautiful. That is so gorgeous. Like hello pigments, hello micro glitters. Like, if you are late to the glitter train, Korean glitters are so popular in Asia, and I'm so glad Sephora did something like this. And this is only $21, so $7 each. Yes, I know how to do math when it comes to makeup, which is so sad, but it's true. And then I'm gonna do just a little bit on the bottom of my lash line of a color. I'm using the color Cayenne if you are curious. Ooh, it's glittery. Okay, I have a lot of glitter going on, and I'm not supposed to have that much glitter all over my bottom of my eyes. So I'm gonna get some tape to get that. And then I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna be right back. And then we're gonna finish the rest of the face. So let me be right back. So tonight, I'm gonna show you off. When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole world change. Then I see what you do. No man, blame it on your conscious base. No, shadows inside. That's why you tripping and finesse. It don't make no sense. You tripping and finesse. You know. Okay, so I'm back. I just did my lashes and my eyebrows. They looking like I'm a human being again. So I'm gonna do highlighter first. My favorite highlighter is this NYX Duochrome. It's very pretty. It's called Synthetica, and it's like this nice orange. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but it's absolutely beautiful. If I can get my highlighter brush, that'd be great. So there you go. It's like this beautiful shade. Like, I really, really like this highlighter. It's so beautiful, like legit, so cute. Yeah. And I'm just gonna put a little bit underneath my eyebrows. Beautiful. And I added eyeliner if you were curious. I don't know if you're curious or not, but yeah. And then I'm gonna put on blush. So the blush I'm using today is from Anastasia. I put it away, I don't know why. So I'm using the color Pink Passion, and I'm not using the orange one that I always use. I'm going to use the shade right here. This is pretty much called Basically. No. Wait. Oh, wait. It's called Rose, sorry. Basically is a little bit darker. and just go on my cheeks like so. So I kind of put this on top of my highlighter to just smooth it, like it blends in together. I just like that. Put a little bit on my nose because I like rosy. There you go. Next, I'm going to be using this lip tint. This is called the Dear Darling by Etude House. I'm using the color OR207. And if you're curious, I'm just using this to lip line my lip on the inside. And then blend it out. So I got this color Katy Cat Matte. And it's like this maroon shade and it's beautiful. So hopefully this one looks 10 times better because this just doesn't match my aesthetic right now. Okay. She's a little purple, but it's okay. I kind of like it. It is like a fall color. I haven't used old school lipsticks like this in forever. TBH. So like, I feel like I'm kind of struggling. Okay, you know what? It's not that bad. I actually really like it. It's actually really pretty. It kind of ties in to the look. So, I don't know. I kind of do like it. It's a little purple, but you know, she's cute. Okay. So this is the finished look. This is kind of a fall look for me. I don't really do dark eyelids and then a dark lip and to add eyeliner just so it can look a little bit more faller. Get it? Because you'll fall in love with this shit. Ooh, okay. So I'm just going to go up close so you guys can see eyes and liner, brows, and yeah. I actually really like this lipstick. I haven't worn this lipstick in like forever, so I'm really happy that I got to wear it today. I'm literally going nowhere. Like literally nowhere. So I don't know why I wore this, but hey, yeah. This is it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's really cute or whatever. But I actually really like it, and hope you guys like it. And if you guys try to recreate this look, show me. Instagram and all my social medias are down below, and all the products I obviously use will be down below. And just for the record, if you're gonna get any products from the makeup that I used today, I love Clinique. I live and breathe Clinique. Anything Clinique I recommend, unless you're allergic to like a specific ingredient, and hopefully not because they're non-comedogenic or whatever, but I love them. And I love this eyeshadow so much. It's so pretty. Yeah. Okay. Talk to you guys in a little bit if I do the mukbang, but for now, see you when I see you. Bye.